Hello. 찬성이가 라이브 끝나고 저도 시작해봤어요. 이거 라이브는 아니고 라이브죠. 라디오 라라 라이브 라 라이브 라디오 라이브. 오랜만에 이렇게 한번 라이브 해보고สวัสดีครับ. Hello everyone. Welcome to my, I guess, podcast, radio live type of thing. No, I did not turn off the light. I just put my phone down. 찬성아 자 빨리. 노래 잘 들었어. 언젠간 찬성이랑 우리 스크린 치면서 라이브 한번 하면은 진짜 재밌을 것 같아요. 기다려봐요, 여러분. 언젠가는 꼭 할 거예요. 스크린 라이브 쓰라 좋죠. 자, 다들 찬성이한테 잘 자라고 보내주세요. 찬성아 잘 자. Good night. 이상한 소리 난다는데 그 소리는요 보일러입니다. 보일러가 지금 작동되고 있고요. 안 꺼지네요. 네, 그리고 여러분 준호는 지금 많이 괜찮아졌고요. 오늘 한 몇 시간 전에 통화했는데 목소리 좋았어요. 괜찮았어요. 그냥 빨리 집에서 나오고 싶다고. 너무 걱정하지 마세요. 와, 지금 보일러가 진짜 열심히 일하고 있어요. 얼굴 안 보이는 거 맞아요. 네, 맞습니다. 라이브요, 라디오 라이브. พี่คุณไม่ง่วงเหรอง่วงครับแต่ก็แค่แบบอยากจะมาทักทายทุกๆคนก่อนที่จะนอนนะฮะเพราะว่าเมื่อกี้ได้ฟีลมาจากชั้น2นะฮะ 우영 and 민준 are okay. 오빠 얼굴 보여줘 오빠. 제 얼굴은 오늘 퇴근했고요. 얼굴은 집에 갔고요. 지금 얼굴은 잘 자고 있고요. 깨우기가 조금 그래서 오늘 얼굴이 없어요, 제가. 저는 아무 증상 없고, 키트 한 2번 했는데, 내일도 할 거고, 키트 2번 했는데, 음성으로 계속 나와가지고, 그래도 여러분들이 걱정해 주시니까, 내일 한 번 더, 5일째니까, 한 번 더 키트 해보려고요. For those of you who are worried about me, I've tested myself twice with the HomeKit, and they both turned out to be negative. And since tomorrow it will be my 5th day since I met and worked with Junho, I'm gonna test myself again tomorrow. And Junho is currently fine. I just talked to him not today, not like a couple hours ago, and he's fine. He sounds good. He sounded good, so don't worry. He will be back to you soon.พี่คุณแนะนำวิธีทำเงินหน่อยจ้าลงทุนอะไรดีลงทุนกับตัวเองครับนะฮะไม่มีอะไรที่คุ้มไปกว่าการลงทุนกับตัวเองไม่ได้หมายความว่าให้ซื้อของแพงๆเสื้อผ้าแพงๆให้กับตัวเองนะฮะมันคือซื้อประสบการณ์ให้กับตัวเองไม่ว่าจะเป็นการไปเที่ยวในที่ที่ตัวเองอยากจะไปหรือว่าเรียนรู้อะไรใหม่ๆที่ตัวเองอยากจะเรียนรู้ใช้เงินกับตัวเองครับกับสิ่งที่มันไม่แน่นอนกับพวกของต่างๆเสื้อผ้ารถอะไรก็แล้วแต่เนี่ยไม่จำเป็นก็ไม่ต้องใช้จริงๆแล้วถ้ามีเงินเนี่ยซื้อบ้านซื้ออะไรก่อนดีกว่าเนาะหนังเรื่องภาพวาดเข้าฉายในเกาหลีไหมครับยังไม่แน่ใจนะฮะน่าจะไม่แน่ใจครับ 무대에서 보고 싶어요. 저도 얼마나 콘서트 하고 싶은지 여러분들이랑 비슷한 느낌일 거예요. 여러분들도 우리 콘서트 오고 싶고 우리도 콘서트 너무나 하고 싶은데 조금만 더 기다려주세요. 꼭 할 거예요. 걱정 마세요.คิดถึงน้าพี่คุณน้าของพี่คุณนะฮะน้าของพี่คุณเนี่ยมีหลายคนมากนะฮะต้องระบุมาด้วยว่าน้าคนไหนของพี่คุณนะฮะเพราะว่าพี่คุณก็ไม่รู้เหมือนกันว่าพูดถึงคนไหนนะครับ World Tour concert please you know like it goes without saying that we want to go everywhere to perform, to give you guys a good show. But right now it's a little bit hard. Maybe, I don't know, later this year or next year, we're gonna definitely try to do a tour. 오빠도 오늘도 채식했어요. 뭐 드셨어요? 오늘 채식했고요. 오늘은 풀을 먹는 돼지 먹었고요. 그리고 씨 같은 거, 풀 같은 거 먹는 닭을 먹었어요. 오늘 좀 치팅데이였고요. 솔직히 채식 비건은 아니고 비건은 제가 못할 것 같고요. 채식은 지키려고 하고 하루에는 최대 한 번만 고기 먹는 걸로 하려고 하고 근데 이거 진짜 쉽지 않더라고요. 왜냐면 이게 라이프스타일 이거 다 바꿔야 되잖아요. 그래서 지금 바로 콜 터키 아니고 조금씩 몰입하려고 열심히 노력하고 있습니다. 우영จัดบ้านเสร็จหรือยังคะถามเขาสิครับผมก็ไม่ทราบเหมือนกันครับ비건 진짜 어려운 것 같아요. 왜냐면 특히 미국은 그런 비건 레스토랑 되게 많은데 한국에는 아직 비건이라는 컨셉트가 그렇게 크게 뭐라고 해야 되지? 사람들이 인정? 받아들일 준비는 안 돼 있는 것 같아요. 왜냐면 예전부터 고기 많이 먹어야 강해지고 특히 운동하는 사람들은 운동하고 나서 고기 먹어야 된다. 이런 인식이 많이 배어 있으니까 비건은 좀 풀만 먹으면 힘 없을 텐데 약간 이런 생각들 많이 하고 있죠. 근데 뭐 야채 많이 먹으면은 뭐 나쁠 거 없으니까 최대한 야채 많이 먹고 피할 수 없을 때 고기 먹고 약간 노력해야 되는 거죠. Can you say something in Bahasa Indonesia? Teach me something? I haven't been there in I don't know how many years, like 6, 7 years? Was it Apukabal? I'm so sorry if I got it wrong. Do you miss Taegyeon? Why would I miss Taegyeon? He's always here in my heart. Oh my god! That was so corny!พี่คุณมีเมนูใหม่ยังคะก็มีนะฮะเพิ่งเคยทำยำวุ้นเส้นแล้วก็ก๋วยเตี๋ยวสุโขทัยเพราะว่าผมซื้อน้ำตาลโตนดมาจากเมืองไทยแล้วก็เนาะก็ไปเรียนทำก๋วยเตี๋ยวสุโขทัยมาจากแม่อะไรอย่างเงี้ย만우절 거짓말했어요? 아니요. 저는 만우절 같은 거는 별로 안 챙겨요. So cheesy. I know it was cheesy, but yeah. Actually, I saw we had dinner together. Well, me and Taegyeon and me. We had dinner together like a week and a half ago. He's good. Hello from Taiwan. Hi, Ta. Hey, you from Taiwan. 요즘에도 골프 치러 다녀? 예. 골프가 진짜 getaway 하기 진짜 제일 좋죠. 풀 보고เขาไม่ได้ภาษาในไลฟ์พี่คุณเหรอไม่ใช่ครับก็พยายามตอบคำถามทุกๆภาษาที่ผมอ่านออกนะฮะน้องคุณดูแคร็กกี่รอบคะ2 รอบครับเบื่อไม่อยากดูหน้าตัวเองนะฮะHi, Iran. 그렇구나. 내일 뭐해? 야일 뭐해? 야일은요. 야일은 살아요. ขอสูตรก๋วยเตี๋ยวสุโขทัยได้ไหมคะเอ่อเอ่อก็ลวกเส้นผมธรรมดาผมกินแห้งนะฮะก็ลวกเส้นใช่ไหมฮะลวกถั่วฝักยาวก่อนลวกถั่วฝักยาวหั่นถั่วฝักยาวลวกถั่วฝักยาวก่อนลวกเส้นแล้วก็เติมเขาเรียกว่ากระเทียมเจียวกระเทียมกับกากหมูเจียวลงไปนะครับบีบมะนาวใส่พริกป่นใส่น้ำปลาใส่น้ำตาลปี๊บแล้วก็ใส่น้ำซุปลงไปนิดนึงแล้วก็คลุกแล้วก็ใส่หมูสับด้วยแล้วก็กิน 2PM 노래 불러주세요 10점 만점에 10점ผมว่าต้องพูดภาษาอะไรทีเนี้ยTMI 오빠 TMI is today I woke up and I fell asleep again and then I did laundry and I hung up my laundry yeah 몇 시에 잘 거예요? 빨리 가라는 건가? 문해백 불러줄 니콘 구함. 그 니콘이 퇴근했어요. 그 니콘이 은퇴했다고 하더라고요. 보고 싶어 보러 갈게. 예? 보러 온다고요? Seasick is good. Seasick is waiting. Yeah. I really missed that time when I went to the Philippines with Alex. And we toured around the Philippines eating really good foods. And I learned so much about the culture there, and it was really good. I really hope I can go back there soon. Can you say hola? Can you say hi to fans in Arab? Hello.คุณลุงรีวิวน้องจินเจอร์หน่อยค่ะน่ารักจนคนขโมยกับเกาเลยไหมคะน่ารักจนอยากขโมยกับเกาเลยไหมคะน่ารักมากครับน่ารักมากน้องแรงดีมากแรงเยอะมากแรงขานี่แบบถีบนู่นถีบนี่แบบพยายามอยากจะลุกขึ้นมาเดินผมว่าน่ารักมากแต่คือไม่กล้าไม่อยากลงรูปเพราะว่านะ privacy ของน้องเนาะ Hello from Greece oh my god I miss my time like I had such a good time in Mykonos and Santorini I'm gonna go back there someday yeah Good morning from Cali. How is it there in Cali? The most recommended place in Thailand is definitely Hua Hin. Hua Hin is a place where you can go and relax and enjoy the sun and the sea. 구나 4월 30일 뭐해? 우리랑 공연 보러 갈래? 공연? 무슨 공연? If you were a dog, what breed would you want to be? I would want to be a hot dog. Sorry, that was bad. Golden Retriever, maybe? I'm too skinny for that. Maybe a Greyhound? Maybe a Chihuahua? No.พี่คุณทานข้าวเย็นกับอะไรคะกับช้อนกับซ่อมครับขอบคุณครับ Is there anything you guys want to ask, want to know? มีอะไรจะรู้อยากจะทราบไหมครับ다들 물어보고 싶은 거, 알고 싶은 거 있어요? 왜냐면 자려고요. พี่คุณอยู่ไหนคะอยู่บนโลกครับ How's Juno? Juno's okay. He's better. How would you describe a perfect day? A perfect day is a day without anything that's not perfect. Are you hungry? No, I'm not hungry. I just ate not long ago. Well, pretty long ago, but... Can you wish me a happy birthday? Happy birthday! พี่คุณทำอะไรอยู่ครับไลฟ์อยู่สิครับ Can you sing? I think everyone can sing. Just depends on whether they're good or bad. พี่คุณจะนอนตอนไหนคะจะนอนตอนที่พี่คุณหลับตาแล้วก็ฝันค่ะ Recent favorite songs, please. I've always liked jazz, and recently I've been listening to Fly Me to the Moon, and yeah, so it's a good song. It's a classic. พี่คุณเปิดไฟหน่อยครับเปิดไฟอยู่ครับแค่ปิดกล้องอยู่ครับ Are you real Nikun from 2 p.m? Maybe. Sing a song. You are the only you for 2 p.m. You are the what? You are the only you? What song is that? 오빠도 하티 보고 싶어. 네, 보고 싶죠. 얼른 콘서트 하고 싶죠. 진짜 재밌을 것 같아요. 진짜 재밌게 놀 수 있을 것 같은데. recommend something nice to watch. Friends, Modern Family. Can you speak Chinese? 会，我会说，但我中文不太好，谢谢。Favorite number on the electric fan? 2. You should watch Community. It is such a good sitcom series. Yeah, I've watched almost all of the seasons of Community, and before I got into Childish Gambino's music, I actually saw him in Community, and I thought he was a really good actor, and I listened to his music, and it was so good. Like I think he's one of the geniuses out there, that he's good at everything. So yeah, I love Community, and I think everyone should watch it. พี่คุณขอ3 ตัวตรงหน่อยพี่คุณไม่ใช่หลวงปู่หลวงอะไรที่มันจะมาขูดแล้วเอาเลขได้นะครับผมก็ไม่รู้เหมือนกันครับเอา333ไปเลยแล้วกันถ้าพี่คุณเปิดกล้องจะวิ่งรอบบ้าน ดึกแล้วนอนเถอะ เดี๋ยวให้น้ำแดงนี่คืออะไรครับผมเป็นสารพระภูมิอะฮะ Do you also watch Good Place? Good Place, yeah, I've seen I think 3 episodes. 3 seasons or something. And then I think I kind of lost touch. But it's a very good that's a pretty good series too. If you're interested in life after death, you should check that out. You see, the thing with when you quarantine a lot, you watch so much Netflix that there is really not much left to watch. What do you feel about the Big Bang Theory? I feel that the theory about Big Bang, I feel that Big Bang is a very popular boy band from Korea that I think they make really good music, and I enjoy their music. But if we talk about the real Big Bang, I think that there's so much that we don't know about everything that the media tells us. And that we will never know until we actually have experienced it ourselves. But if you're talking about the sitcom, I love it. Well, you're not wrong. About what? About everything, right? I know. I'm pretty much right about everything. Well, next time I can like 71.28% promise that I will do a live where you can see my face. I'm gonna make sure that my face is here before he goes home after work. So yeah. Guys, if you're sleepy, you can go to sleep because it's kind of late and I'm probably gonna sleep soon. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm okay, and even though everything is kind of crazy right now, getting better but still crazy. I feel that a lot of things nowadays, people feel, you guys feel, we all feel that it's normal when it's never been done before COVID. But now that we're kind of used to it, there's going to be another stage where all of this is going to change, because when all this COVID thing goes away, we're going to go to another time where we have to adapt to another way of life. And I think that's going to be something we're going to have to get used to. So prepare yourself for that, because this is not the end of this new normal. Yeah, and I hope you guys, everyone, stay safe throughout this crazy time, because this too shall pass. It will go away, but we just don't know when, because knock on wood, there might be another adaptation of this virus or something. We can never know. Sing a song before you go to bed, oppa. Okay. I'll sing a song before I go to bed after this live. I'm sorry. I'm such an arse, right? I do that sometimes. Yeah. Sing Only You, please. Only you. 네가 아님 말고 누구나도. All right. I'm in Korea right now, and it's 1:20 a.m. and I think I should go to sleep before I become a panda. So wherever you are, I hope you have a good day or good night, and I hope that good things only good things will happen to you this day and all the days forward. And yeah, just stay sane, stay yourself, just stay good, and hopefully one day we'll meet and have a great time at one of our shows, singing, dancing together. But for today, I say goodbye, good night, good day, good morning. I'll see you when I see you. 자, 오늘은 여기까지 마무리해야 될 것 같습니다. 지금 1시 22분이고요. 지금 부모님 몰래 지금 이 라방 보고 있는 여러분 얼른 주무시고요. 내일 내일 토요일이구나. 그래서 늦게 잘 수 있는 거구나. 알겠어요. 아무튼 여러분 안녕히 주무시고 우리 만날 수 있는 날 올 거예요. 언젠지 약속 못 하겠지만 오늘은 안녕히 주무시고 건강 잘 챙기시고 코로나 곧 끝날 것 같지만 상황이 어떻게 될지 몰라서 그거 퇴퇴퇴 하려고 했는데 조금 매너가 아닌 것 같아서 영어로는 knock on wood라고 하거든요. knock on wood. 아무튼 안녕히 주무시고 또 곧 만나요. 그 다음 라이브 때는 좀 이렇게 얼굴 좀 불러서 얼굴 보여드릴게요. 오늘은 여기까지. 바이바이.นะครับสำหรับคนที่ดูอยู่มาถึงจุดนี้ก็ขอให้ทุกคนฝันดีนะครับแล้วก็เนาะดูแลตัวเองด้วยเพราะว่าโควิดก็ยังไม่จบไม่สิ้นกันสักทีหวังว่ามันจะไปไกลๆเนาะเร็วๆนี้แล้วก็เราจะได้เจอกันแบบไม่ต้องเป็นห่วงไม่ต้องห่วงอะไรเนาะจะคอนเสิร์ตจะอะไรก็สนุกได้เต็มที่แต่ว่านะครับสำหรับวันนี้ก็ขอให้ทุกคนนอนหลับฝันดีเนาะแล้วก็ถึงเวลาที่เราจะได้เจอกันเราก็เจอกันแล้วก็สนุกไปด้วยกันมีความสุขไปด้วยกันนะครับแล้วก็ดูแลตัวเองด้วยโอเคครับวันนี้นอนหลับฝันดีเนาะบายบายครับ我觉得我要说一说中文今天很开心能跟大家做这个 live祝大家sweet dreams 晚安我们下次见好吗 OK 大家晚安再见 OK 拜拜皆さんたくさん忘れましたけど日本語がでも 本当に楽しい、嬉しい時間でした。皆さん、今日夜おやすみなさい。次のライブで僕がキャメラオンやります。おやすみなさい皆さん。バイバイ。Okay. Oh, that was not easy to speak in that many languages, but okay. All right, good night everyone. And Tagalog. Hey guys, I'm not that smart, okay? Tagalog. I'm not that smart. So good night, and I'll come back soon and I'll show my face next time. Okay? Bye.